Today, we're diving into the features and performance of the Emerlife 12 by 13.5 by 9-foot polycarbonate greenhouse. This greenhouse stands out with its innovative quick connector system, designed to cut assembly time significantly. With over 60% of connections utilizing this feature, setting up this spacious 12 by 13.5 by 9-foot structure becomes a breeze, requiring only 8 hours with 3 DIY enthusiasts. The greenhouse's dimensions are impressive, boasting an overall height of 9 feet and a spacious interior perfect for nurturing plants or even doubling as a cozy recreation space. The upgraded 5.5-foot wall height ensures easy access without the need to bend over frequently. Crafted from premium materials, the greenhouse features 6mm twin-wall translucent PC panels with 99.99% UV protection, ensuring durability and plant safety. The robust 1.5mm rust-resistant aluminum frame, along with thickened uprights, enhances stability and longevity, capable of withstanding winds up to 70 miles per hour and snow loads up to 30 per square foot. Ventilation is key, and this greenhouse excels with 4 vents and swing double doors that facilitate excellent airflow control, crucial for regulating temperature and humidity levels. Whether you're combating harsh winter conditions or nurturing delicate plants year-round, the Emerlife greenhouse proves highly weather-resistant and well-ventilated. In sleek black. This greenhouse not only offers functionality, but also adds aesthetic appeal to any outdoor space. For gardening enthusiasts looking for a reliable, spacious, and durable greenhouse solution, the Emerlife 12 by 13.5 by 9-foot polycarbonate greenhouse with its quick assembly and robust design stands out as a top choice. But if you're considering expanding your gardening horizons or creating a versatile outdoor sanctuary, this greenhouse promises to be an excellent investment. Discover more about its features and see why it's the ideal option for your gardening needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.